Angel, what are you doing? What are you doing, my girl? Let me turn it back on you for 5 seconds. That's a good learning, isn't it? You're already hanging off the side of... Oh, my angel. Yeah, okay. I didn't put your harness on, did I? All I did was put you down, turn around back, and you... Oh. Hey? I know you don't look too impressed, do you? Let's wipe your face. Hey? Oh, there we go. Yeah, got your camera face on now? Yeah? You just want me to... Look how big you've got. Oh, my angel. I'm sorry. Okay. All right, I'll pick you up now, okay?